Hi everyone, Greg Naponi here from Embarcadero Technologies. I just want to give you a quick insight into what's coming in our next release of DB Optimizer 2.0, which is an impending release and due out on October 20th. So there's a focus around the product is obviously profiling and tuning your SQL code. And we have the profiling piece, the tuning piece, a SQL editor built into the product, as well as a stress testing module called the load editor. What we've done in this last release is build out more of the tuning features. Tuning historically has been done around hint injection, basically giving directions to the databases, which is the fastest way to get the SQL to run. Also things like SQL rewrites, which we also have in the product today. 2.0 introduces cross-platform index analysis, as well as visual SQL tuning, or VST diagrams. There's a new analysis tab in the tuning module, which allows us to look at indexes based on the SQL statement you've written. Allows us to see, based on the SQL statement you've written, against the execution path, which indexes are being used, which are not, and which we might suggest actually implementing. A very useful feature for digging deeper than simply hint injection or SQL rewrites that we see in the industry today. Even beyond that, something we offer in DB Optimizer 2.0 is something called Visual SQL Tuning, or VST diagrams. And that particular feature is a unique feature in the industry today. It allows you to see your SQL visually, to very quickly analyze the SQL as opposed to having to read through it based on referential integrity, joins, as well as indexes. And you can very quickly make decisions about how you might speed up your SQL from that visual SQL tuning diagram as well. So we've had a very successful beta program. We're going to be rolling this out on October 20th. We'd love to have you try it out and give it a shot and give us your feedback. And we're going to have a series of videos that help you understand how best to leverage these new features over the coming weeks.